I'm Stasia Bliss, and this is Acupressure and Tinnitus. So tinnitus is a ringing experience in the ear and is associated with balance. So there's a few points that are helpful to relieve this, and they're all located around the ear. So I'm going to go ahead and turn to the side so you can see. For this, the first set of points, I'm going to use gentle tapping. So this stimulates several acupressure points around the ear. So using just the middle finger, we're going to gently tap in front of the ear, just slightly up, on top of the ear, a little bit behind, and then 4 points just below. So you're kind of circling the ear with 8 points. So again, just 2 little taps. And each of these 8 points. The second point, and go ahead and do that on both sides. The second point, this can be a tender one, right at the we're going right into the hole of the ear here. Right at the very top of the hole, you're going to put some pressure on. So there's a bone there, and you just are going to lift up with your finger. This should be a slightly tender point, so go ahead and just lift up until you find that little bit of tenderness. And then just holding for about 15 seconds and then releasing. And then the same thing on the other side.